Nighthawks. We're on Unit 4, Lesson 5. Our objective today is to use a circular protractor to understand a 1-degree angle as 1 out of 360 of a turn. Explore benchmark angles using the protractor. So you got this template. It was Lesson 5 template. It's at the end of the problem set and homework, so you can see I've cut mine out. That's what I want you to do. And then you're going to, as you cut it out, you're going to find something a little bit harder. So I just found the back of a card that someone sent to me, and I glued it on there, and then I'm going to cut it out. So here's mine. I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to poke a hole right where we see the perpendicular lines, right at that 90-degree angle. And then I slid just a piece of ribbon through, so if you have string, maybe a dental floss will work as long as you didn't use it. A shoelace, anything that will give you this little string that will come through. And then I just taped it to the back, so you can see it's taped to the back. And then if I have my other template, I'll find that 90-degree angle in there. Using my other template, fits right over the top. So I know that my template worked out well from the first couple lessons. I cut out this middle part. That way I can kind of see going through when I look at my page. Eventually we might even cut out, because I don't know if you can go get a protractor, but we can use this throughout the whole thing. We can just cut all the way out and over and be able to, just don't cut along this line. We're going to keep that line there. Okay? So today we're just going to look at and explore what are our angles. So if you look closely at our protractor, here's our 0. So I'm going to line up right there. And then if I go 1 degree above, that's what's in our objective. That's a 1-degree angle right above the 0. Here, if I line it up, that would be a 10-degree angle. If I go further up, this would be a 40-degree angle. Always coming from this line and moving up. So if you're using some of the computer links with protractors, you're going to notice that you're going to move that line. This line just keeps moving up and up. Let's see, there's our 90-degree angle. If I can get this to work, there we go. There's our 90-degree angle. And then where the other green line is coming out, that shows that perfect right angle. Okay, so you're just going to play around with this. Looking at different angles, you'll notice that it's round. This protractor is round because this is our 180-degree line, and we can go even further than 180 degrees. Remember, we started off with that 1 out of 360 degrees. That's a full circle all the way around. Okay? Problem set, you can play around with the problem set. So you have set A and set B on number 1. You're going to round to the nearest 5 degrees. So if I'm already at 45, I'm going to find 45. And if we're at 5, you remember that we round up. So it's going to round up to 50 degrees. Okay? And then moving down here, which of the angles from number 1 were acute? So you got to go back to our first lessons and remember acute, and then which of them are obtuse. Okay, so if it's before our 90 degrees, all of these are our acute angles. I go past 90 degrees, these become obtuse. Because I'm past the 90-degree mark. Obtuse, and these are acute. And then you'll answer a few more questions. How many angles? Just kind of play around with this one. Just getting used to your protractor. This one's giving you the protractor. You're looking at what angle is it going through. So it's going through the 60-degree angle, so we would mark this as 60 degrees. It's less than 90 degrees. So I'm gonna label it acute. Okay. And then what would you do if you don't have a protractor? Well, you have a template. Yay, so you can just follow the directions on how we made this template and just write those out. Have fun, good luck.